Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Chevrolet Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they're supposed to do. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, MP3 playback stereo, bucket seats, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.